Ito pala, di ko pa nabibidyohan kung nasaan tayo. Nandito tayo sa Sobi, Kalintaan, Matnog, Sorsogon.
Yung water. Wala. Ang lamig ka. Gusto ko yan. Wala. 10 out of 10. Mainit nga eh. Ay, may ano pala, may kita pala natin sa natin dito. Wait lang. Hi guys, so we're here at Naglag. Ito yung may-ari ng island. Papakita ko sa inyo yung may-ari ng island. Tada! Ano pala? Gusto niyo ba ng Mala Beach Resort ng Boracay? Ito na yun. Hindi niyo na kailangan pumunta sa Boracay, doon lang. Hindi niyo na kailangan mag-book ng flight, mag-ano na lang kayo ng mga hours na biyahe. Ano 12 hours, 15 hours, puro iwi kayo? 12 hours na kayo sa amin eh. Anyway guys, let me show you the sand. The sand? Kita mo yan? Pino! Diba? 10 out of 10 yan. Say hi po sa vlog. Ito po yung may-ari na GoPro. Nakahanap na si Carla ng baby. Nakadipayin ko na. Nakalila siya. Wala na yan. Hello. Say hi. Nasa vlog ka. Hi. Thank you. Hindi ka nagpapapicture yung famous. Hi. Hi guys. Oh, time ko. You say hi to the vlog. Bye ka pa. Wow.
Does that hold your phone or just a is that a GoPro?
I don't know, I'm just holding it.
Can you go underwater with it?
Papunta sa aking
It's just
mansion.
a design, you
Okay.
know. It's designed for me.
Can you promote this island, ma'am? Para...
Of course not.
Of course not.
This is mine.
Keep natin to.
Yeah, it's
Ayan.
only for me. You know, I made that ocean just for me so that I can see it while walking.
It's just a pathway to ano.
Yeah, you know, it opens when I sing.
Okay, example. Okay. Amatay, matani.
I have crossed the horizon. I think she's not on a mood. I think Tifiri is not happy with that.
Ang ganda, grabe. Lubog ko to. Ayan. Wait lang, maganda lang. Itong, ano na to. Anyway guys, by the way. Binayaran po namin tong island. We bought it for only half a mil. Yeah, very mura nga siya eh.
I think since my father lives in heaven, so I think it's free, you know.
Yeah, he is the king of kings, so yeah.
I can buy a lot of this. I can get a lot of this. You can make me one. You can make me one. Linaw ate ko.
Can you see that?
Of course you can. Ano yan dito? Dami mo medyo okay na naman yung
Higa, higa.
Sa amin na yung camera.
Teka, teka.